Right, what's up mga ka-Thailander all over the world. So, our content for today is about the HKS air filter. So, this is what I'm using in my XMAX Super Stock. So, we already deleted it in the CVT part. We already put it inside the utility box. So, it's already under the seat. Yes, so it's located under the seat inside the utility box. So I'm using this one because we already modified the XMAX 300 Halimax. We called it Halimax for the people who are new in my channel. So the name of my XMAX is Halimax. So it's a 300cc super stock. So super stock, it's already been modified but still has the same 300cc displacement. So we just changed like the racing cams, pistons, CVT, injector, throttle body. Right. So you can check out my my content about that one with this link below. Alright, so today we will talk about this one. So most of the air filter, you have to change it every 3 to 4 months, but it depends on the advice from the company or from the brand. Okay, for this HKS air filter, I need to change it every 3 months. So I installed this one last January, and now we have to change it. So I ordered a HKS original air filter. So you can just order this one. You can comment in my Facebook page. You can just send me a message there, or you can comment one of my posts. So this is a dry 3 layers. So this is overnight from Japan. Alright, so let's just open this one first. Right, before we're going to proceed on our content for today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I get new uploads. Just by subscribing in my channel, it will help me a lot to have more contents for you guys. Alright, so this is a dry 3 layers. So this one has 3 layers, as you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. So this is what we're going to use. I'm not quite sure if this fit for this one. I think this is the right fitment, because this is the first time I ordered this one, and this is the first time also I'm going to change the filter. So first, you're just going to open this one. So you unscrew. Alright, so that's it. Then you just like open. And this is the internal part of the HKS air filter. So now you're just like going to take it off. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is the right fitment. And then you're just going to like okay, so you're sorry, this way, baliktad pala. So as you can see here, this light green color should be on the inside part, and this hard green color will be the outside part. So make sure that this hole will be on the right spot on the center. So that's how easy you're going to install. So easy peasy. Just make sure this one is in the middle. And yeah, for this one you are good to go. So next step, you're just going to put it back. Okay, make sure that most of this spine will be on the right corner, so it would be easy to be installed. So you also have this rubber gasket at the side. Okay, just make sure everything is properly installed. And the last part is this one. Alright, so there you go. This is your mushroom type HKS. Right, so let's install this in our XMAX. Right, so I already installed this one because I cannot make it by my one hand, so I didn't took a video for that one. Right, so this is how easy you're going to install. So this is just like a rubber bushing, so you can just easily slide on this air filter holder. So the last part that you're going to do is to just slide this one in. Make sure, as what I've said, just make sure every single side will be inside. Alright, so voila, you just like screw, make sure it's tight enough. Alright, so that's it.
Sabay kay wala hutay. Puros raulat, sige pangkat. Di ka sabay kay wala hutay. Hangak ka pamati ang singot kiniyulan. Kasong mga panit murag init ni ulan. Sa likod sa akong ulo puro tubig iuhaw. Normal nga pamati sa tawong way pahuway. Mga nyubi sa dulag kahangak na ulhanay. Ang assumption ng karaan dire kapalanay. Ang uyamot nga yagit sigira padaghanay. Pero ako quality din yun na ma-qualify. Kay kaning nga marathon ikaw di ka-qualify. Kusog lagi mo dagan pero short sa finish line. Toddlers play the game para mahimong number one. While kaning mga dago we play it just for fun. Imong tumungog tinguhan di mao ang basihan. Importante na lingaw whether you walk the race or run. This game may not be for everyone. Some are here for quite a while but didn't live and shine. Isa. In English naman dego. Tapos ipaspas ra pagkaayo. Wala siguro pasabton sila klaro. Sa isa, ng sound man. Dili ko mudlagan pero ikaw tinuod. Aron di mapasol ug ikaw makaton. Dawat ug balon pero